Hello and welcome to Get Slim Cooking. It's a brand new cooking channel. It's me doing simple cooking, baking, but I'm doing it on the slimming world, so it's going to be mainly sin-free. I try and do a lot of sin-free or things less than two sins. To start the day off, and the first video is your breakfast. What you need is a container and lid. Get your spoon and your naturally fat-free yogurt. This is overnight oats, my way. What I do first, I put a little bit of yogurt in the bottom. There we go. That is the base, topped off with just 20 grams of oats, normal porridge oats. There we go. Level it off. Then more yogurt. There we go. Now, time for your fruit. What fruit do you want to put on? Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, orange, melon, grapes, anything you want fruit wise, put in. A kiwi, you know. I go for blackberries. Pick these myself, froze them. They will go out of date, that's why I've froze them. But the best thing about picking them yourself, it hasn't cost you anything. So, I get 5, 6 blackberries. I just put them straight in. These are frozen, which is fine. Called overnight oats. Once you've done that, put another 20 gram of oats on top. Done. Level it out a bit. More your natural free yogurt. Might as well finish this off. I've only got a bit left. Time to go shopping and get some more. There we go. So that's topped off. And then more of my free food that I've picked myself. There we go. There's 5 in there. That's done. Then put the lid on and you pop it in the fridge. The reason I've done 3 layers of yogurt, if you put your 20 grams of oats on the bottom first, then yogurt, then 20, miss this layer at the bottom of yogurt, it's extremely hard to mix it. It doesn't seem to mix easy. Doing it this way, it's a lot easier to mix. So, pop that in the fridge overnight, and that's ready for a lovely breakfast in the morning. Here's one I made earlier. I bought this especially for work, because it's got a spoon with it. So it's got to be an easy way of getting that spoon out, because it don't pull straight up. Unscrew it, and that's what it looks like. It's set. That's the other one's really runny. So it's in. Mix it up. Get right down. It should mix up really well. The yogurt is soaked into the oats, so the oats are nice and juicy. Really, get down. As you see, it's all mixing round. Bring that yogurt up. It's even changing colour now. It's very similar to porridge. Obviously you're not using milk. That's why it's sin-free. For breakfast, your oats are a healthy extra B. The blackberries are really nice, make it nice and sweet. So you mix it up and that's what you get. Beautiful. Beautiful this is. It will last you an average at breakfast. You'll be fine till dinner. Nothing else you need. And that is sin free. You'll start losing weight, I'm sure of it. I have this for breakfast. I follow the Slim Fast plan. 5 weeks in, I've lost 1.5 stone. I feel great. Really enjoy the breakfast. If you get fed up of blueberries, blackberries, orange, just keep changing it all the time. I'm just using the blackberries at the moment because I can pick them. There's a lot about. Pick them, I can freeze them, and they should last me for months. 3 or 4 months at least. Though, well, you don't have to. You can just buy them from the supermarket. You know, I'll buy a punnet of strawberries, £2. £2 a week, okay, slimming costs. So £2 a week on strawberries. I weren't quite finishing the punnet because it was going off before the end. So, you know, I was at night, if I wanted a snack, I had a bit of yoghurt and a strawberry. But I find picking blackberries and freezing them, they're free, it's cheap to have as a breakfast, and the breakfast is lovely. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more tips, cooking ideas and recipes that I've done or adapted from Slimming World. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye.